On today's menu is something that I very frequently make at home. It requires some basic spices and it is very easy to make. You can even follow this same recipe using tofu. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. We will first blend a few things. A huge tomato or maybe 3 medium tomatoes, ginger and a green chilli which is totally optional. Blend everything to a smooth paste. Pot out, medium heat, add whole spices like dry bay leaves, 3 green cardamoms and a cinnamon stick. Please remember your oil shouldn't be smoking hot. If your oil is smoking hot, then the spices will burn and the curry may taste bitter. Stir the spices for a few seconds and add chopped onions along with a sprinkle of salt. Fry the onions on medium heat until the onions turn into this pinkish color. Just remember not to let the onions turn too dark brown in color. If the onions turn too dark brown, the curry will turn bitter. Once the onions take this color, it is spice time. Heat back down to low. Add just 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a heaped teaspoon of ground coriander, and half a teaspoon of ground cumin. Fry the spices on low heat for a few seconds and then add the blended tomato mixture. Heat back up on medium-high. Keep frying till the mixture turns on the drier side. See how it turns into a jelly-like appearance? This is what we are looking for. Okay, now is the time for the paneer to tumble down and get all spiced up. Fold in the spice mixture with the paneer, and my friends, please do this with gentle hands as we are handling paneer here and not stones. Okay, then add a cup of hot water. Finally, we need to add 2 more things: kasuri methi, that is dried fenugreek leaves, and garam masala powder, along with a teaspoon of sugar, which is totally optional, but the sugar does balance the flavors. Then cover on low heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I like adding 2 tablespoons of Mexican crema. You can use sour cream or cooking cream or coconut milk or maybe nothing. It will still be delicious, just trust me. Again, cover on low heat for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, lift off. Now is the time to remove all the whole spices that float on top. Do a taste test and adjust the seasonings. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves for that freshness. Do not like the smell of coriander leaves? Then add parsley or maybe green onions will work as well. Now, wasn't that easy, my friends? Serve this with rice or roti and I'm sure you'll love it. Please smash that like button for me and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.